that'll have people thinking you put forth an effort. Let's start. First on the menu is bean dip. What we need for that is a 16-ounce can of refried beans. I'm using vegetarian. You can use whatever kind of beans you want to use, refried beans you want to use. 1 cup of sour cream. I just stuck my hand in the cream cheese. Then 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is half a pack. So we're going to dump it in. Just a half of one. I softened it already. 1 ounce package of taco seasoning. This is just your original plain old taco seasoning. You can use any kind you want. You can use hot, mild, cheesy, whatever you want. Sky's the limit. 1/4 cup of salsa. You can use chunky, you can use whatever kind you want. I used the remains of 1 shallot. So it's just 1 shallot, however much that is. You don't have to put shallots in. You can put onions in. You don't have to put anything in. And then 1 cup of shredded Mexican cheese. I got the 4 cheese blend. Now, calls for 1 cup. Oops. I hope I didn't put too much cheese in. And then we're going to mix it all together. Everything's already been softened, so it'll be real easy to mix. I'm going to be honest, it doesn't look real appetizing right now, but yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, and I'm using my Golden Girls wooden spoon, because that's how I roll. Now I'm the age of Golden Girls, so yeah, came quick. All right. Then we're going to set our oven to 350, which we've done already. And then we're going to put it in a baking dish. I'm just going to put it in this baking dish. I sprayed it a little bit. I don't think you have to, but I did. Pour it on in there. Okay, we'll just, you know, kind of smooth it out there. Then I'm going to put a little shredded cheese on there. A little more. And you can use, you don't have to use the Mexican blend. You can use whatever you want. Again, sky is always the limit on these recipes. I'm not going to put a lot on the top because we got some in the mix. Just enough so it looks pretty. Boom. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. That is dip number 1. Now we're going to make, I had to print it out. All right, so then we're going to make our cheesy dip now. So get ready for that. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. Let's take a look at it. Hot air from the oven. Oh boy. Oh, sorry about that. That was the oven. Huh? Can you hear it? Yeah, that is good. That is good. All right, so that was the bean dip. Now we're going to make the cheesy dip. I'm going to take a test taste of the bean dip. Hot. It's a good. Now for the cheesy. Cheesy dip is a little different. We're going to put it in a microwave safe dish. We're going to use 1 package of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of, let me look at my notes, mayonnaise. It's just regular old mayonnaise. I'm using the shallots again. I used another whole shallot. I like me the shallots. All right, and then it says 2 cups of cheese. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to use sharp cheddar. And this is a 2-cup bag, but I'm not going to put the entire, I'm going to put like a big handful in. Okay, you put it in your microwave safe dish. You microwave it until everything is liquefied. So I'll be back. Okay, I put it in for 1 minute. Everything is liquefied. You stir it up according to the directions, combining them. All right, another one that's baked. And both these dips are meant to be served warm. Oops. I always block the screen, don't I? And going by the recipe here. Okay. And then we're going to add the rest of the cheese. Cook this in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. It's a lot of cheese. That's the recipe, though. Anyway, so we're going to put it in our 350-degree oven for 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so we're ready to get cheesy dip number 2, or dip number 2 that's cheesy. Hot air. Oops, ooh, that could have been dangerous. Sizzling, bubbling. That is dip number 2. It does have a cheese to it, doesn't it? And that's it. Let's take a look at it on the chip here. Let's see if we can get it into frame here. All right. And they're meant, like it says, they're meant to be served hot. Yeah. Ooh, very good. I'm using the Tostitos hint of lime, so it gives it a little added flavor. And then the addition of the onions was a good choice because needed a little something more. So, or it would not have been quite as delicious. It's great stuff. So, that's all I got for you. 2 dips. I did the puffs earlier, if you didn't catch that video. And that's it. You have a good day, evening, weekend, week. Enjoy yourself. I appreciate all my subscribers. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please think about it. I'll have, or you have a good day. I'll have a good day too. We'll all have good days. Bye-bye.